Hi guys, it's Tuesday, February 12th, and I have a special guest with me. This is my little 2-year-old who I bring into the picture to let you guys know exactly kind of the situation around here. So just want to let you know, I know that the official due date on the class activities checklist for SA2 is tomorrow. That's right. And I just got back to you guys on your rough drafts today. Part of that because I was just behind because everyone in my house has had this flu type thing.
Me too.
And partly because I was just delirious and thought it was due. Yes. Okay. Are you done? Are you done? Okay. I'll put you down. Okay. Because I thought it was due Thursday. So I just wanted to let you know there's always leeway when it comes to due dates, but especially this time. And realistically, I'm not going to get the essays graded until Saturday. So just get them in when you can. They're looking good. I'm missing one so far, rough draft, but of all the ones I looked at, I think there's a pretty strong group. Just pulling down to where we're supposed to be at. You guys did have a post-due day, ideas for SA3, and let's see, going ahead a little bit here. Yesterday you read the overview. You've got your reply due tomorrow. I know. And then let's see, you got some readings on Valentine's Day, opposed to discussion 9 on Valentine's Day as well. Your responses on Friday, a quiz on Friday. That takes us to the end of the week. So that is this week. Hang in there, everybody. We're doing great.